delete Google Tag Manager account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your Google Tag Manager account. So for that, just open your Google Tag Manager, and here on the home screen you will be able to see all the accounts that you have created in your Google Tag Manager. So for example, you want to delete this particular account that you have created. So all you have to do is just click on the settings icon from the top, and from here just go to account settings, and now just click on the three dot icon from the top right, and there you will see the option called delete. So just click on delete, and now it is asking that are you sure you want to delete your account with the account name, and this account will be removed to the trash can and will be permanently removed after 30 days. So if you are okay with the circumstances, just go ahead and click on delete again, and this way you will be able to delete your Google Tag Manager account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.